my name's Elyssa, and at the time of this video, I've been working with Faisal and my Facebook ads for about 6 months, and it has truly changed the way that I do business. I've been introduced to so many amazing people through these ads that he created, and honestly, before he created my ads, I was literally just throwing away money, trying to do Facebook ads in a way that I didn't know how to do, but I leave all of that to Faisal. He has not only helped change the face of my business, but he's also helped to change the face of my clients' businesses as well, as I've been able to connect them so that he can create amazing ads too that truly do tug at the heartstrings of the people that they want to work with, allows them to reach an audience bigger than themselves and also bigger than their family and friends. And so definitely I would recommend Faisal's ad services to anybody that I meet, and I do, and I'm super grateful that we were connected. Way to go, Faisal.